Well, thanks for staying with us on news. Tonight, we're breaking the story of LK Advani. A decision has been taken by the BJP's CEC that it will be Gandhinagar, from where he will be contesting. Of course, as far as the patriarch is concerned of the BJP, he wanted to contest from Bhopal. Even the Madhya Pradesh unit of the BJP wanted LK Advani there to contest. Of course, they were looking at it as a boost for the Chauhan government-led campaign for 2014, but that hasn't really happened. Let's go across to Aditya and Tavleen joining us live this evening with the latest. Tavleen, of course, we're also getting information that Rajnath Singh has informed Advani now, but whether he has called him or not, he should, of course, be aware of what's happening now, that his view has not been considered. So what happens next?
That's the big question right now, because it was very obvious that LK Advani has had his preferences as far as fighting 2014 general elections are concerned, and he was of the view that Bhopal is the seat that he wants to contest from this time around. He is a sitting MP from Gandhinagar right now, and Narendra Modi specifically wanted him to contest from Gandhinagar itself because of the fact that he didn't want any controversy specifically revolving around LK Advani, given the past that both the leaders have shared, specifically on him elevating within the party as far as Modi is concerned. But at this point of time, what we are getting to know and what we have been bringing to you is that the unanimous view has already been taken by the BJP Parliamentary Board that began earlier in the day, and following that, subsequently, the Central Election Committee has also ratified that decision that as far as Gandhinagar is concerned, the candidate has to be Lal Krishna Advani. Now, it's completely up to LK Advani. Like you're saying, that there are reports of Rajnath Singh calling up LK Advani, but at this point of time, what we can confirm to you, that sources close to LK Advani are still maintaining that there has been no communication yet.
Right.
So it seems that the controversy as far as LK Advani's seat still is there, but as far as the party is concerned, it's Gandhinagar for him and not Bhopal.
Right, Tavleen, the fact is that Advani is a 5-term MP from Gandhinagar. Now, this time round, why is he so reluctant to contest from Gandhinagar? Does it have to do with his differences with Modi, which came out in the open when Modi was selected as the Prime Ministerial nominee?
That's one view of looking at it. The other view that LK Advani states is the fact that, all the other senior leaders of the party have had seats and constituencies of their own choice. And this time around, he was more inclined towards a seat in Madhya Pradesh, not only because of Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the proximity that he shares with the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister, but also because of the fact that a strong message from the Madhya Pradesh unit as well as the state had come in demanding and desiring for a strong leader and one of the most senior leaders of the BJP, that is LK Advani. And there was also a view that Gujarat is a strong state. They already have the Prime Ministerial nominee, Narendra Modi, from there. So it could be absolutely prudent for him to shift towards Madhya Pradesh. That was his view. And specifically also the fact that, Narendra Modi has chosen his seat on his own, even shifted the sitting MPs. We know Murli Manohar Joshi has been shifted to Kanpur. So as far as LK Advani is concerned, the sitting MP in Bhopal had clearly and very equivocally had offered his seat to him. So there was no controversy surrounding that. So that was the view that LK Advani had, and which is why he was of the view that why can't he contest from Bhopal. But at the same breath, let me also point out that LK Advani, in the telephonic conversation that he had with the party president Rajnath Singh earlier in the day, had said that whatever the party decides, he will listen to it. But at this point of time, it seems to be controversial because the LK Advani's office still maintaining that no communication has reached it, whereas Rajnath Singh's office says that there has been communication that has been conveyed to him. So what happens really will be known in about 10 minutes from now when the BJP officially makes that announcement.